Hi event and meeting friends, I'm Federica from Rox Event Staff, and in this video we will talk about why 99% of exhibitors find trade shows outstanding marketing tools like no other. This is based on CEIR's study, Center for Exhibition Industry Research, and I will share with you the ultimate factors that will make you different from your competitors and therefore get noticed at trade shows. If you will enjoy this content, please give this video a like. And finally, if you want to become a better event professional, subscribe now to our channel. B2B trade shows allow exhibitors and attendees to meet face-to-face, a luxury that is not so grant-given in the email, video calls and text communication era we are living, especially considering the past few pandemic months. This networking tool brings more conversions, more lead generation and more sales compared to other marketing tools. That's why even post-COVID, exhibitions will start trading again. In fact, the UK government just approved its guidance for the reopening of exhibitions, trade fairs, conferences and consumer shows on 1st of October. To go back to what we do brilliantly and safely, you should only work with COVID-19 trained event professionals. Even in a wholly digital era, also if COVID-19 made the event industry tremble, taking part to trade shows and exhibitions is still a powerful marketing tool, extremely efficient to promote your services, products and a unique way to network. Exhibiting at trade shows in London means listening to your clients, globally offering your services, interacting with the public, and getting closer to your clients. Exhibiting at B2B trade shows provides you with an extensive network as an exhibitor. It's a channel to interact within your industry, a display to promote your offer and image, and so much more. Based on research from CEIR, Center for Exhibition Industry Research, conducted in 2018, why should you exhibit at trade shows? Brand awareness is the first reason. 88% of interviewed companies attend trade shows to grow or maintain brand awareness. Trade shows and exhibitions represent an excellent way to make your company known, and they allow your niche public to get to know your brand. Besides, exhibiting at trade shows offers you the chance to give a human face to your brand. The best way to do this is by hiring someone experienced in trade shows, selected through his or her passions in matching your brand, company and identity. You can find COVID-19 trained event staff only through a professional event staffing agency. Again, if we want corporate events, trade shows, exhibitions and B2B meetings to start happening again safely, I can't stress enough how important it is to only work with COVID-19 trained event professionals and event staff. Reason number 2. Exhibiting at trade shows allows you to create new leads and data capture. We discussed this too in another video a couple of weeks ago. 72% of companies take part in exhibitions and trade shows to data capture and generate leads from new and potential customers. When exhibiting at trade shows, every exhibitor's expectation is that of meeting new clients and obtaining new contracts. The choice of having a stand at a B2B exhibition allows you to establish strategic contact to grow your business and access new trading opportunities. Obviously, after the first meeting, it's necessary to follow up, bringing in new contracts or converting leads captured during the show. Reason number 3 is exhibiting at trade shows and exhibitions is a huge chance of meeting with clients. 65% of interviewed companies exhibit at trade shows to meet regular clients. It may seem insignificant, however, in times so quick and technological, it's more and more challenging to interact in person with clients. Exhibiting at a trade show allows you also to group all those meetings in a few days in one place. It would be otherwise too difficult to meet everyone. The 4th reason why you should exhibit at trade shows is the best price quality matrix for leads. If the first three reasons linked to relationship management and human interaction, is just as much essential to analyze the economical impact of attending a trade show. Based on CEIR's study, the cost of a face-to-face meeting with a potential client during a trade show is that of $142 approximately. At the same time, the price of a face-to-face meeting with a prospective client at an office is that of $259. You could save up to $100 per qualified lead, making your exhibition stand the cheapest way to have face-to-face meetings with potential clients. And the fifth and final reason why you should exhibit at trade shows is that trade shows are a display for new products and offer. In fact, 92% of exhibitions attendees participate in trade shows to see and learn about new products and services or new technological offers. When getting ready to exhibit at a trade show in London or any other city, you should ask yourself questions like, what is your target? Or what do you want to communicate to your audience? What are your commercial or marketing goals? What's your budget? To which other strategies can you link this particular show? And are you hiring COVID-19 trained event staff? The answers to these questions are the first starting point to better plan your attendance and exhibiting at trade shows in obtaining the best return of investment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more. Remember, we're all on the same boat and even the same storm. So if you found this video useful, feel free to share it to help other event people. Good luck with your event from the Rox Event Staff team. Take care.